Chiu reveals Paulo Avelino's generous side during Sinulog. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an inspiring story from the heart of the Sinulog Festival. Chiu recently opened up about her co-star Paulo Avelino and his incredibly generous spirit during the festivities. What did Paulo do that left everyone in awe? Stay tuned as we dive into this heartwarming tale of kindness, camaraderie, and the true spirit of celebration. The Sinulog Festival, celebrated annually in Cebu City, is one of the Philippines' most vibrant and culturally rich events. Known for its colorful parades, lively dances, and deep-rooted traditions, the festival draws thousands of locals and tourists alike. It's a time for joy, unity, and celebration, making it the perfect backdrop for stories of generosity and goodwill. Both Chiu and Paulo Avelino are well-loved figures in the Philippine entertainment industry. With their undeniable talent and charm, they have captured the hearts of many through their performances on television and film. Their recent collaboration has not only showcased their on-screen chemistry but also highlighted their camaraderie off-screen. During a recent interview, Chiu shared a touching story about Paulo Avelino that unveiled his generous nature during the Sinulog Festival. "I never knew how big his heart was until we spent time together at Sinulog," she said, her eyes sparkling with admiration. She recounted how Paulo went above and beyond to make the festival more special for the people around them. As the festival kicked off, Kim revealed that Paulo took it upon himself to donate food and supplies to local communities affected by the recent challenges. He organized a little outreach program to give back, Kim shared. It wasn't just about the glitz and glamour for him, he really wanted to make a difference. This gesture not only showcased Paulo's big heart but also his commitment to supporting those in need. What made Paulo's actions even more touching was his genuine connection with the locals. During the outreach, he spent time interacting with families, listening to their stories, and sharing laughter. He really made them feel valued, Kim noted. "It's one thing to donate, but it's another to engage and connect with people." This heartwarming connection left a lasting impression on everyone involved. As the outreach unfolded, Kim and Paulo documented their experiences on social media, sharing snippets of their time with the community. Fans were treated to heartfelt photos of Paulo playing with children, distributing food, and enjoying the festivities alongside locals. Kim's posts resonated with many, with followers praising Paulo for his kindness and selflessness. "This is the kind of hero we need," one fan commented, encapsulating the sentiments of many. The duo's acts of kindness not only brought joy to the local community but also inspired others to contribute. Following their outreach, many fans and followers expressed a desire to give back, creating a ripple effect of generosity throughout the festival. "If Paulo can do this, so can we," was a common sentiment echoed on social media, showcasing the power of influence and compassion. After the outreach, Kim and Paulo fully immersed themselves in the vibrant celebrations of Sinulog. They joined the parades, danced to the lively music, and soaked in the joyous atmosphere, embodying the spirit of the festival. Their infectious energy and happiness were evident, and they were often seen sharing smiles and laughter, further endearing them to fans. In a heartfelt moment during the festivities, Kim reflected on how Paulo's generosity had touched her. "It's easy to get lost in the fame and excitement, but moments like these remind us of what truly matters," she shared. "I'm grateful to have someone like Paulo in my life, someone who inspires me to be better and to give back." Her words resonated with many, emphasizing the importance of kindness in an often chaotic world. As the Sinulog Festival came to a close, fans were left wondering what other charitable endeavors Kim and Paulo might embark on in the future. Their partnership not only highlights their dedication to their craft but also their commitment to making a positive impact in the community. "I hope we can do more projects like this together," Kim expressed, leaving fans excited about what's to come. Chiu's revelation about Paulo Avelino's generous side during the Sinulog Festival is a beautiful reminder of the power of kindness and community. As they celebrated together, their actions inspired many to give back and connect with those around them. With their infectious spirit and dedication to making a difference, Kim and Paulo continue to shine as role models in the entertainment industry. Thanks for joining us as we explored Kim Chia's heartfelt revelation about Paulo Avelino at the Sinulog Festival. What do you think of Paulo's generous actions? Are you inspired to give back to your community? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for all the latest updates on your favorite stars. Until next time, remember that kindness is contagious. Stay tuned for more amazing content.